The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Keokuk County, southwestern Johnson County, northwestern Washington County, southeastern Iowa County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Lancaster, or near Sigourney, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near South English, Kinloss, and Kyoto around 4:15 p.m. Wellman around 4:20 p.m. Kelowna, Amish, and Holbrook around 4:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Windham, Freetown, and Sharon Center. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. The storm has a history of producing tornadoes. For your safety, seek shelter now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Johnson, Keokuk, and Washington.